Hi, my name is Jags and welcome to my Daddy Jags Yana and Lois YouTube channel. And for today's video, have you heard about Marshall speakers? I have many speakers already bought from the past, but I never had Marshall before. Never in my life. This is the first time that I will have a Marshall speaker, and it is Marshall Stockwell 2. So let's open the box. After this, I will be comparing it with other speakers that I have at home, cheap ones. So inside is the Marshall speaker. It feels sturdy. It's about 1.5 kilograms. Marshall logo. It really feels good. You get inside the manual for legal and safety and quick start guide. We also have the USB Type-C and the leather strap. And that's it inside the box. Let's put this one in here. Nice. It also have like multiple knobs for volume, bass, and treble. So you can choose whatever likings you want for your music output. It also has a battery indicator here. Okay, so I charged it for about 30 minutes. And by the way, before going further, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification button. Then, if you like our video, or even if you don't like our video, please press the like button. Thank you. Okay, let's try some music here. Phone volume is about 75%. I'll increase a little bit. Some music. Let's put everything on 75%. Maximum volume. So, what do you think? It's, for me, it's not that loud. It's just okay. But I'm kind of like a loud listener. So, let's check and compare it with my other portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so I have this Debon for like 2-3 years now. I've been using this for camping and everything. And this Marshall is IPX4 waterproof. So you can go use it outdoors. A sprinkle of rain or water, it's okay. It won't go inside, but it's only IPX4. This one is IPX6. It's rugged. You can just throw it anywhere, and it's really durable. Tested it during camping and hiking, and it's really loud. This has 20 watts of speakers, only two, 10 watts and 10 watts both on each side, but it only has speakers going forward, nothing on the side or to the back. And however, with Marshall, speakers is either this side and at the back. So even if you, it's like a kind of surround, not on the sides, but just back and front, front and back, sorry. So it has one 10 watts and two 5 watts of small speakers. So it's kind of rugged, and let's check this out. Okay, so it's connected. Let's hear it from this one. It sounds like this. And this one. Let's play both together. I'm physically here and hearing the music and the sounds and everything, this is actually more refined. This one, you can actually hear it, like the bass is really loud, but you cannot really hear the details. This one, you can hear the details, the snares, the drum beats, and the flutes or wherever is the layering. You can actually hear it with this with Marshall speakers. This one, it's just like it's the same music file, so you should be hearing the same thing, but if you can actually hear it clearly, this one is really good for like beatbox or like going like party whatever, but you cannot really hear the layering of the music, like all those instruments the music is playing. But loudness wise, this is louder compared to this. Even if this one is only 75% volume and this one is already like almost full, or yeah, highest volume, the highest volume. And this one you can control your bass and treble and bass, but this one you cannot. It's just no settings or no knobs that you can change the equalizer or the settings that you want, but it's just one. Turn it on, play, and that's it. Volume low or high. So for me, this is way better, but if you want to go out and have like a very loud music, this one is better. So it's just boils down to your preference, but so far these two are good, but this is more expensive, about $300. At Amazon it's $249. At Marshall's website it's $299.99, and also at Bestbuy. So that's it for today, and guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you like or even don't like my video, just please press the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's play one more music.